Hello students, welcome to Neetu Agarwal classes. Today we are going to do BRS fourth case. Today BRS will be completed. So let's start it. Bank reconciliation statement. We are doing the fourth case where we start with the debit balance of passbook. Debit balance, it means a negative balance, or you can say overdraft balance as per the passbook. So let's start with the question. From following information, prepare BRS on 31st March 2019. Okay, bank overdraft as per the passbook 36,000. Okay, overdraft, it means it is a debit balance. Okay, let's start the solution. Bank reconciliation statement as on 31st March 2019. So we have balance as per passbook. It's a overdraft balance, so you can write down debit over here, and we are doing as per our method, that is 36,000, and it is a debit balance, so we need to put brackets over here so we can recognize it as a negative balance for our calculations later. Let's see the next entry. Checks issued but not presented for payment 19,700. Okay, see, we have started with the passbook and we need to come to the balance for cash book. So our standard over here to follow is according to the cash book. So in cash book we have issued, it means we have credited this amount but not presented for the bank payment. So what we need to do, we need to subtract this amount from the bank balance also. So we will less this amount from this amount, not from this, accordingly, standardly. So we will put over here less amounts. What are the check issued but not presented for the 19,700. Checks issued but not presented. So this is 19,700, right? So checks deposited with bank but not collected 25,000. Check deposited with the bank. So when we deposited with the bank, we added in the cash book, we debited in the cash book, but not collected yet in the according to the bank. So bank has not credited this amount. What we need to do right now, we need to credit this amount. So we need to add this amount, right? Check deposited but not collected yet. So 25,000, we need to add this amount. Check deposited but not collected. For how much amount? This is for 25,000. Okay, checks entered in the cash book but not banked. Okay, see, checks entered in the cash book but not banked. Which checks we bank? Those we collected from our debtors. So these are the checks we need to deposit in the bank for the credit entry in the passbook. But those are not banked. But what we have done earlier, we have done we debited in the cash book, right? Checks entered in the cash book but not banked yet, right? So we need to add this amount so we can come to the cash book balance according to the adjustments in passbook balance, right? So we will add this amount, checks entered in the cash book but not banked. checks entered in cash book but not banked. For how much amount? This is for 9,000. Right. Directly deposited to bank by a customer 11,000. Okay. Check directly deposited to bank by a customer. So this entry, bank has already credited this amount, right? We have a balance effect in this amount for this amount, but in the cash book there is no entry for this because there is no recognition for this in the cash book. So we need to directly deposit it, right? So what we need to do, we need to subtract this amount from the passbook because in the cash book there is no entry for such amount, right? So we will less this amount, directly deposited by a customer. For what amount? This is for 11,000. Right. So we have done all the entries over here. We need to follow our old method, right? We need not to follow like 4 methods for 4 kind of BRS system. No, there are 2 enough. First one is when the cash book is going according to the passbook, and the second one is where passbook is going according to the cash book, right? That is more clear. So let's balance it. Here it is 34,000. This is the amount we need to add. So we didn't put any brackets over here. Okay, so this is the amount we need to subtract. So we just put the bracket over here. Now see, I already told you to follow the simple calculation over here in the last so as to get the correct answer. So this is the less amount, this is the negative, 2 are the negatives, so we will add these amounts and whatever will come accordingly do the calculation, right? So what we will get from this, and this, we will get 6. This is the negative amount and this is the positive amount, right? So what we will get over here, this is the negative amount, right? So 32,700, this is a negative amount over here, right? So the negative amount, but for what we write down over here, balance as per cash book. Cash book according debit my negative balance, what is that? That is a credit balance, right? So what we write down here, balance as per cash book, that is credit balance, is equal to 32,700, right? You can put brackets over here also, or you can not, right? That is even right because you have written over here credit amount, right? So we are done with the BRS part. I hope everything is very clear. There are no such difference in the doing process in the 4 kind of BRS. Only we have to follow two methods. First one where we need to go pass the entries for cash book according to the passbook, and the second one we may need to pass the entries in the passbook according to the cash book. You have to follow just the standard where what we need to come to the conclusion, right? When we need to the cash book balance, we need to follow the cash book as per standard, and when we need to come to the balance for passbook, we need to follow the passbook standard. So and for the last two cases you just need to bring some constant focus on the last calculation also, right? You have to do it rightly. So it is completed. I hope everyone get understood. If you have any query you can comment me. Thank you for watching.